gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We're approaching to positive MACD. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we are in slightly negative MACD, seeing signs of a converge. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in slightly positive MACD, and we're still resting right along the 200-day moving average, this green line, at a price of $1,797.70. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD. My position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $163.28, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $171.11. My stop loss is at $160.59. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $173.38, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $166.06. My stop loss is at $176.24. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. And as we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 22% chance to climb between 0 to 3%, a 33% chance to climb between 3 to 6%. To the downside has a 44% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.